Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going over a new trick in Lightroom that will give you a dreamy and glowy effect to your photos. So when it comes to achieving this type of dreamy photo, you might think that you need to invest in expensive equipment like a Pro Mist lens, but fear not, because today we're going to try together to get that look directly from Lightroom. So here we have a picture that I already edited a bit, and as you can see, here is a before and after of how the picture looked and how it looks now. First thing we're going to do is decrease the clarity of the picture to give it a more dreamy look. Make sure not to go too low so it doesn't get too blurry. So here we'll just go with -15 or 17. Now, moving on to the next step, we want to create a background mask, and thanks to the AI magic, Lightroom can generate that instantly. Why do we do that though? Well, we want to make sure that the picture looks more misty, but also keep the subject in the picture nice and sharp. Our favorite tool to give that special glowy effect is using Dehaze. So this feature is usually used in order to dehaze something, obvious, right? But why not use it in reverse? So here we're going to slide to the left in order to get that glow that we want. Another thing that Dehaze does is it brings brightness to the picture, so we might want to reduce the exposure just a little bit. And now we have that glow that we want, but we're also at a good level of exposure. Okay, now I would just give a bit of luminance to the face. So we can create a mask just for the skin area, and here we'll play a little bit with the tone curve. So you can slide that down here on the right until you see the graph. So now jumping into mid-tones, we can turn that up a bit and have more luminance brought to our subject, which is something that will also even out the skin. If you want your pictures to look even dreamier, you can add in some fog to create that fairy tale effect. Alright, so we're going to create a gradient mask right here, and then decreasing the texture, dehaze, and clarity all to -100, and then we're also going to bring the sharpness down to -100 as well. Now to create the mask, we can start from the point we want the fog to be more prominent. So either linear or radial gradient. Here we're going to do it like this, so we can have a more natural look to it, and there you have it. I hope you found these tips and techniques helpful in elevating your dreamy and glowy edits. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, tips, and tricks to level up your photography skills. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow photographers. Until next time, keep shooting, keep editing, and keep creating magic with Lightroom. See you in the next video.